Properly cleaning floors involves vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping to remove dirt and debris. High traffic areas like the kitchen should be swept daily, while lower traffic areas can be swept around twice a week. Start sweeping from one corner and work towards the exit. Use small strokes in each section of the room. Use a clean broom with bristles facing the same direction and clean it regularly. Vacuum high traffic areas at least 3 times per week. And move furniture monthly for a deeper clean. Dust before vacuuming and use a microfiber cloth. Make sure to clean out the vacuum cleaner regularly and use the crevice attachment for edges and under furniture. Mop floors once a week with a classic cotton mop and a cleaning solution of hot water, dishwashing liquid, and vinegar. Ensure to clean the sink and countertops after mopping to prevent cross-contamination.